Have you ever wondered what's on the inside of a calculator and how that's able to do math? Today is day 82 of learning something new every single day without AI because not everything needs to be automated, and today I looked at the components of a calculator and realized how it's able to calculate math. The first calculators were produced in the 1960s and 70s after the microprocessor was invented because there was finally a chip that was created that was able to process what was needed for a calculator. Similar to the computer, you can think of the calculator as its own complex electrical circuit, and each button turns on and off a transistor. So when you press a button on the calculator, it processes through the microchip and it shows the correct numbers on the screen. Each number is divided up into little lines that you've seen. And then when you hit the plus, minus, divide, or multiply signs, then that number goes into something that stores it. And then you type your next number that shows up on the screen. And then when you hit the equal sign, those two numbers are then either added, whatever button you hit, together, and then that shows up on the screen. But the calculator's electrical circuit only speaks in numbers 1 and 0. It doesn't know any other numbers greater than 1. It only goes in zeros and ones. And that's called binary coding. And basically it transitions every single number that you press on the calculator into a 0 or 1, and then it translates that onto the screen. That's the basics on how a calculator works, but as they've become more complex and graphing calculators are more standard, they're getting closer to computers than you might think.